Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 5 of my 30-day challenge. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. There are more videos coming out every single day for the next 30 days. And today we're going to talk about the calibration section of Lightroom, which most people end up ignoring. So let's see this image right here. It's a little desaturated. Now when you boost the blues, it affects all other colors of the image and it gives it a nice little pop. We don't have a sky here, but this actually helps skies stand out. So probably should have used a different image, but this is the one I was working on last. So all right, so boosting the saturation here, just pull it and keep looking at your image as you pull it. And I think I like it right around here, and this just makes the whole image pop much better than before. This is what we had before and this is what we have now. All the other colors have popped as well, but the blues have really popped. If this is too strong, you can just go to the color panel and find your blue and then reduce the saturation of your blues a little bit. You see the blues in the dress? I reduced it. I could bring it back up, and so you have control there. All right, so you can do this for the other colors too. And for example, the blue, you could actually bring it to teal, so the blues are not blue, it's kind of like teal, but as you're doing that, it's actually affecting the oranges, and so you have to take note of that. So it's going to affect the blue in all the RGB colors as you keep messing around. I try to keep my pictures as natural looking as possible because for me it's just hard to keep up with a color grade and try to remain consistent. So I don't go those extremes, but if that's what you want to do, the calibration section is for you, and you can actually use it to make pictures from different cameras look alike. All right, so have fun with this. And oh, one thing I like doing is to, putting a little bit of magenta in the shadows. It just looks good. I don't, I can't explain why, but I like it. All right, now have fun with this and keep on creating. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.